This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 263 FKDSLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Coachmen is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 4, microwave, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, CO detector, leveling jacks, stove-top burner, air conditioning, external shower, spare tire kit, water heater, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 263 FKDSLE is 6,869 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.